Hi, my name is Lauren, also known as Polymorphin. I often share character art on the internet as well as in zines, illustration shows, and other opportunities. Over the years, my art focus shifted from simple character drawings to visual narratives. I find it fun to leave hints of a character's backstory or personality, and letting color or lighting speak without dialogue is like inviting the audience to piece together the heart of the story. But as an artist, it's so easy to feel overwhelmed in the illustration process and lose the story's heart itself. By taking this class, you'll find the foundation of your story and stick with it, so that every step to your final illustration is filled with meaning and intention. You'll be amazed at how much you can convey in one drawing and feel inspired to start the next. I know you have incredible stories waiting to be told, so let's bring them to life in the most powerful way possible. I'm Lauren, and this is Illustrating the Perfect Story 101.